Right, so we've got a Merc SLK200 here, coming to us, vehicle not starting. So we've done a battery test. Battery's fine, we stuck it on charge. And then we've used the multimeter to check the alternator. Alternator's faulty. So I'm going to show you guys the quickest way to get the alternator out on one of these. So you've got the front pipe that sits along here, like a duct. That's come off. As you can see, it's all taped up anyway. And then you've got the auxiliary drive valve. Okay, locked in. And then half drive. See, tension in there. And if anyone wants a belt diagram as well, pause the video because that's the correct belt diagram for this one. And you've got a pipe that sits just here, which is this one. It's just like a turbo intercooler pipe. You've got two bolts that holds it on. So you've got one here, one down the bottom, and then you've got like a breather there. So that comes off, and then you can gain access to the, let's get the torch, drive belt, which is there. The tensioner is this one down here. So once the drive belt's off, you can then get to the alternator. To get into the alternator, there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quite simple. And instead of taking this power steering unit out at the top or getting them from the bottom, like underneath, getting the steering rack out the way, because obviously when you look at the car, it looks quite tight, that you can literally take off the water pump pulley, which is that one here. So 4 bolts, and you'll find that the alternator will wiggle through that gap there. You've also got this boost pipe here. Obviously that just connects to that pipe part there. And then yeah, you got the 13mm at the back and the plug, and it literally just wiggles in. It's as simple as that. Obviously looking at the car, to start with, I was going to remove the power steering reservoir, the pump, get it all disconnected, but obviously disconnecting that, obviously got to bleed it, refill it all. So yeah, you'll find that you'll just have to squeeze it in through this gap here. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, drops a good one.